how to log in Crunchyroll on TV. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can log into Crunchyroll on TV, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to log into Crunchyroll on TV, it's actually quite simple to do so, because all you have to do is just go ahead and then make sure that you've downloaded the Crunchyroll application. Once you download the Crunchyroll application over here, you should be able to find the application. And once you open the application, if you don't have an account, you can also choose to create one, but assuming you already have an account over here, I'll just go to the login button over here, and once you go to the login option, you can choose to log in with the code, log in with email over here if you'd like to. So you can also go ahead and make sure to enter your email address and password. Once you enter your email address and password, you should be able to go ahead and then tap the login option at the bottom and then log in to your Crunchyroll account. This way you'll be able to log into Crunchyroll account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.